So we're actually their tour. They're sussing us out. They're waiting for us to take off because they like swimming with us. So we're just going to go nice and slow in that direction. We'll wait for them to get comfortable or work out where they're going to be. Here they are. Come and say hello to you again, mate. They're right underneath you. Sometimes they turn upside down and they'll rub their bellies as we're driving on the bottom of the ski. Yeah. Yeah, for these, the bubbles is fun for them. It's like a spa bath.
Yeah, right, yeah.
All right, there they are. Look. Okay, so what we're going to do is, once I've seen they've moved away, right, we're going to let them go back to their hunting. We don't want to disturb them too much.
Yep.
And we'll see if we can find something else exciting we can spot out. What do you reckon, mate? Yeah, cool.